Learn how to easily place an express order in the Festo online shop. To do this, please first log in with your user account and password in the login area. Then open an already saved shopping cart or add new products to your shopping cart. If it is a product in stock that meets the requirements, you'll have the option of selecting Express Delivery in the shopping cart. Click on Express Delivery in the shopping cart. Detailed information about this service can be found under the blue info button next to the selection. The order can be placed until 8:30 p.m. to receive delivery by 12 p.m. on the next working day. Click on Checkout and complete the order process.